Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to see your Gmail password on a Samsung Android phone, step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your Samsung phone. Tap on the three lines in the top left corner, scroll down, and tap Settings. Now select your Gmail account. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. At the top, tap on Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find Password Manager, then tap on it. You may need to unlock your phone using Fingerprint, PIN, or Face Unlock. Find your Gmail account, tap on it, then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. And that's it. That's how you view your Gmail password on a Samsung Android device. If this helped, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.